Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This is a pair of Mosko Backcountry 35 panniers with the mounting plate that works with their HDPE or HPDE glass nylon mounting plate. And this is a great solution. It works with a lot of many of the racks out there. But the setup and tear down part's kind of time consuming. And what I mean by that is if I have on my GS Adventure, I've got hard boxes on the Jessie hard boxes and the Jessie racks, and I have these. And if I were to, get home, change out my bags for the hard boxes, and go to the grocery store, you're looking at 10 plus minutes to unscrew the backing plates that go into here from the bags. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be trying something new, which is Jessie Luggage invented these really hard backing pieces that go right into the mounting plates in the Jessie Luggage, just like that. So, it's basically just like mounting them just like you do their boxes. You've got the side for the non-exhaust, then you've got an exhaust side as well. This is about $235 without shipping. I found them used for $175, so I figured to go ahead and grab it. It's going to require, though, mounting the plates directly to these to the bags here. So you see here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And you've got your placement, so it lines up just perfectly with the Mosko bags. One thing I'm not sure about is it's supposedly this is a tool kit box in here, but honestly it's kind of hard to get to without undoing this top Allen wrench here to get that in there. But it is called the Jessie soft plate. And yeah, let's just go through and install here, and we'll see how it works. I'm gonna unscrew this first, and we'll get started. All right, just like that. That's the back of the Mosko bag. You still have that internal backing plate. And this can be discarded. So let's go ahead and do the flat side first. So maybe I'll go downstairs and get some medium strength Loctite to apply to these before we continue. Oh, there's an internal washer in there that got moved over a little bit. Just off kilter there. Or the backing plate itself moved. Oh, I see now. The actual mounting brackets are loose on the other side. So let's remove the inner bag here. And you're going to put them in one by one basically and line it up. Yeah, 4 of them have fallen out. See, here we go. These go straight through and through the edge there. They've got little hooks that hook in. So, got that one started. Okay. Yeah, so just basically I have to get all these started and then put these in one by one through the top here in place. Make sure this is still in focus. So, end of the day, we've got a pretty good locking system here. You could, if you have Jessie racks and you'd like to save a bit of money, well, I should rephrase that. If you want a perfect solution, and you do plan on going from hard to soft luggage, what you can do is you can order these bags without the backing plates in them. And that way you can, so you're not getting the nylon piece for the plates or the actual rack this goes into. I think it saves $100 per side. And then you spend $250 combined for these guys, for the Jessie racks. And then mount it right up. So I've got a plate right here. So this is our non-exhaust side. So this goes right in there. And mine's powder coated, so I've got to give it a little bit of extra effort here. And then bring this over. And that is not moving. There you go. That's your BC35 with your Jesse luggage or rack. Looks great. Fits really well. And I'm going to do the other side now. I won't record that part, but thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful for those of you that are thinking of doing this. All right, guys. Take care.